class 5 in your e-learning classes, and we are continuing the EVS testing to digestion. Okay, so we have discussed and I have completed the chapter yesterday, and we came to know the story about the Gomti who was 30 years old and she died out of hunger as she was getting very little to eat, as her bird was not there. She was just betrayed by the land who were the landowners, and they were not paying her much, so her family become ruined out of hunger. Her husband died as well as her children become betrayed, and they become not get the enough food to eat. Few years later, her husband also died out of hunger. So it was not a story of only Gomti. It is a story of each and every person of the Kalahandi who are suffering from the hunger and who are suffering from the scarcity of the food in the Kalahandi. Most of the rice grown in the Kalahandi district, it is sent to the other state from here, and they are earning lots of money. And many times the rice that kept lying in the godown get spoiled in their Kalahandi, and there are many poor people who are eating those type of rice, and out of this eating this kind of spoiled food, they are becoming diseased and they are becoming dying. Okay, so why do the people die of the hunger in such places? As in such places like Kalahandi people are so poor, and they are just the labor class people. They are earning each and every day, and their livelihood is to each and every day they are earning the money from the field. But each and every day the work is not available in the field. So in those days when the fields are not grown up, the rice is not grown up, that time plantation is not ready, and those times they do not have anything to eat. So out of hunger they are dying. Okay, and due to the hunger, they are having their immunity system become so weak, they get a different type of diseases also. Now we have discussed 1 and 2 questions. Now there are 2 questions more given. Today I will discuss that. Why can you not taste food proper when you have a cold? So I have told you and I have shown you the figure of the tongue. And what is the question? Question 1 is given here. Why can you not taste food properly when you are having cold? So what are the reasons? As we have seen in the picture of the tongue, there are the taste buds. Under the in the front portion, you will see few of the buds. Few of the buds are at the side of the tongue. Few buds are present in the middle of the tongue, and rest is at the entrance of the tongue. So these are the different reasons for the taste of a human being. And these buds which are present in front, they are especially taste for the sweet thing. These are made for the sweet thing. These taste buds are actually for the sweet type of food or any food which is sweet in taste. And even when we are taking something sweet, the taste of the sweet we can feel in the tip of our tongue the most. Okay. And now the side buds or the buds which are present in the side of the tongue, they are especially made for the salty taste. Salty taste, and the things, or you can say the buds which are present in the middle of the tongue, they are especially related to the sour taste. Okay. So these all taste we can feel due to the presence of the bud. But is it these buds are enough to taste any food? No. when we take the smell of the food, and this tasty smell of the food goes to our brain, and brain tells us it is a very tasty food. Without having any good smell, we cannot feel that food is tasty, and we cannot feel the taste of the food. Suppose your eyes are being kept, or they are being folded, and they are being closed, and then somebody just sometimes your mother also suggests, no, have some medicine, and if you are feeling not to have this, then just close your nostrils so that you will not get the smell, and you drink or you have the medicine very easily. So why it happens? Because the odor or the smell of the medicine is so bad and so bitter that we do not feel like to eat it, isn't it? So at first, whatever we do, at first we smell the food. If the smell is good enough, then we want to eat the food. Smell makes us hungry, and smell gives the sensation of eating, okay, and we feel like to eat the food. But if the sensation is not there, if we are closing our nose, that means we are not getting any smell. So without having any smell, any kind of food is not so tasty for us, because sensation or the smell of the food along with the sensation of the tongue or the taste bud, these both makes the food tasty and different kinds of taste. So what will be the answer? Why cannot you taste the food properly when you have cold? Because food, smell, and so what will be the answer? Smell of the food first initiates our hunger. Hunger to eat food. So smell sensation or the smell of the food first initiates our hunger to have food or to eat food. But if we do not get any smell, if we are having cold, if we are having cold, our smell sense or the neurons, you can say the nerves are not working. Smell sense nerves do not work well. Why do not work well? Because those time mucus or the secreted this cold just cover these nerves, so we do not feel the smell, and if we do not feel the smell, the food will become tasteless. So that is the reason we cannot taste the food, because when having cold, our smell sense nerves do not work well, and we cannot feel the smell of the food, and food will become become tasteless. Okay, so the answer is smell of the food first initiates our hunger to eat food. If we are having cold, our smell sense nerves do not work well, and we cannot feel the smell of the food, and this food becomes tasteless for us. Okay, so the next question, if we were say that digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? So we know when we are chewing the food in our mouth, teeth help us to chew the food. If we chew the food well, along with our inside the mouth, salivary glands start to producing saliva, and in the saliva there is a enzyme called amylase secretes. So these enzymes actually start the digestion in the mouth. So when we chew the food well in our mouth, these enzymes convert the food or the carbohydrate into the sugar, and we taste the food sweet, or we can say the starting of our digestion start with the mouth. Okay, so the answer will be the second question. If we were say the digestion begins in the mouth, how would you explain this? Yes. Digestion starts in our mouth with the secretion of saliva within saliva are digestive enzyme secretes. So our digestion starts in our mouth. Okay, so yes, digestion starts in our mouth with the secretion of the saliva. Within saliva, there is one digestive enzyme which secretes with saliva and starts the digestion in the mouth. Okay, so that's all for today. We have discussed the 2 question answers, and in my next class, I will write all the answers. Whatever answers are or questions are given in your activity book, we will start to write all the question answers in our activity book. Okay, so till then, bye and have a nice day.